Hi, I'm Stephanie Vargas. I'm a doctor of physical therapy at Balanced Physical Therapy, and today I'll be talking about foot strength and arch support for individuals with flat feet. Let's get started. Exercise 1, short foot exercise, what we call doming. The first exercise, you have to perform this exercise keeping your toes relaxed and gently pull the ball of your foot toward your heel. As you do this, you should notice your arch lifting slightly. Try not to curl your toes during the movement. Hold this position for about 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat for 10 repetitions. This exercise helps strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot, which play an important role in supporting the arch and improving foot stability. Exercise 2, towel scrunches. The second exercise is towel scrunches. Place a small towel flat on the floor while seated. Use your toes to pull the towel toward you. Continue gathering the towel until it's completely bunched underneath your foot. Repeat 1 to 2 minutes. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles within the foot and can improve overall foot control. Exercise 3, heel raises. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly rise up to your toes, then lower back down with control. As you perform the exercise, try to maintain your arch and avoid letting your ankles roll inward. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Heel raises help strengthen the muscles and the posterior tibialis, which is an important muscle that helps support the arch during walking and other daily activities. These are 3 commonly exercises to help improve foot strength and arch support. So if you experience balance problems, foot pain, difficulty with walking, a physical therapist can individualize a treatment program for you specific to your needs. Thank you for watching.